Ozia Mathias Ezeaku can chọrọ izijere ozi a. Ịghọtago? Mathias Ezeaku onye isi ndị omenala bụ ụzọ eziokwu na ndụ, and currently the aspirant of Federal House of Rep na representing ndị ụzọ one also in Enugu State. Now, no eventually can go Mathias. I am not against election in Azo, position in Azo. After all, I have been an advocate of youth getting involved in politics. So more appreciated the fact that there were so many youth who has gotten involved in politics. It is a step in the right direction. But only eventually can go Mathias. You know, you want to, that is if some people feel that they will rise to fame through Jesus Aka, like he believe we need to more powerful than Jesus. In fact, you have taught people that you have done more good than Jesus Christ to the people of Igbo land. Yes. In fact, you have boasted that you have cured more than 2,000 people, which Jesus Christ has not even killed one person in Igbo. And you have boasted that you have built more than 100 houses for the widows and widowers and for the poor. Fast forward to the time of election. Time. It was the email campaign. Now, usually, this is the time EAGC go see all those workings. This is the time you need to show us those things, because I remember that you have cured more than 2,000 people of different sicknesses. Mathias, na only did go same through your hospital or what? I want you to show me just 200 or 300 patient files. Number one, that hospital now admitting them. Number two, kaifu evidence or go to know that hospitals kaifu evidence, because I know that it is just about it's not even up to 15 to 20 cases that I have known handle erase golego here and there, and to confirm even okay na Facebook page I was expecting na since you declare interest Izo Federal House of Rep every day you want to 20 patients or 10 patients through your foundation. I was expecting that every day you will put 10 for from now till the time I as the election. Even 1,500, not to talk of over 2,000 or over 4,000, not 2,000. Ejike moment of truth and then do to her over 4,000. I say 4,000 numbers. I am not now watch if any. You see, now what I have seen is just 4 houses. 4 houses, which many people like us has also contributed in different ways. Was all your foundation Kiji and your page Kiji through the help of people. We make those 4 houses or do possible. So kelebe the 100 houses. So what it means is that you are just doing even the barest minimum from what other Igbo people are doing. So I don't see why you have concentrated so much attention to the point if you need to go enough Ijema Jesus aka. I say ga akpọpụta list ndị Jesus Christ melumma, ndị omeleze, ndị ọgwọrọ ọrịa, ndị onyeru, different things into sia n'obi. Line ye ebido ebe atogido gari America. Ọ na-eji eji America. Line ye si ebe agagido gari America. Even na your own family, I enwe multiple people ya pụtara enye testimony ife Chukwu megolu ha. So now you have seen that no man can ever take the place of God. Even Jekwifa Aho can discourage your people from voting you. Agwangolifa Neku very different from election in Azo. But even Jagwagifa okay, now you are of the opinion local Yemeshi that Jesus will fake. na ụka wayo na ọwayo ka eji ụka egwu ndị na ụka ya na kịta ị na-achọ ije represent ndị ụwanị people of ụzọ ụwanị na Federal House of Rep ọsọ ndị omenala bụ ụzọ eziokwu ya atụrụ gị akwụkwọ ndị omenala bụ ụzọ eziokwu ruo ha ya atụrụ gị akwụkwọ ịmụ hụ na ịdago bife ịzọba unu adone people are only but few in numbers. Have you seen onweghị ụzọ look akwa ọkụkọ nwa onye ọba dibịa meghepụrụ ọnụ gwa that Jesus Christ is the most popular and powerful man. Nwa dibịa ji ọnụ egwa ya ịchọbụghị ịghọta. Nwa dibịa ji ọnụ egwa ya ịchọbụghị ịghọta. Na even ndị na-eme kampen na-eje n'ụlọ ụka ka e wee werukwa afa Jizọs ya wee mee kampen. Mmadụ ole n'ime ha na-eje n'okwu alụsị. Mmadụ ole ka efubolu jegolube dibịa jee mere kampenụ. O gosiri na ụzọ ahụ ụzọ ndụ. Ọnya ka o ji eme onye chọkwa ịghọ ndị mmadụ ahụ ọ banyekwa n'ụzọ ahụ maka na ọma n'ụzọ ndụ na ndị mmadụ ma n'ebe ahụ ka ndụ dụ na ebe ahụ ị na-eso ụzọ ị na n'iyi. Now that you are going into political office, whether you win or not, you win, an attempt is what trying. In fact, giving it attempt is commendable. But I am telling you so that you will learn. Ana m echezi ka ikpo stalon list ndị niile gwọrọ ọrịa because ị ka Jizọs ngwa Chukwu a na-efe efe ịgbara ya na ngwa ọzọ Igbo ndụ worldwide. Oge ihe ejizi wee gosi rekọd ọzọ Igbo ndụ ahụ erugo ebigheribe aka je gosi anyị 4 houses which is the best you have done. Gosi anyị onye bụ ife ebe eji eme operation only but few. Now ndị pastors a ị na-eje aka ọnụ kpọpụtawa ndị ha si na-arụ na pocket ha wee kwụ their hospital bill fly ya to different places. Families ha rugolu ụlọ ewepụtawa anyị gosigide in 2 years egosichaboghị. This is how much those people ị na-eji ama aka. That is how much they have impacted on people's life. Imagine that this same House of Rep ị na-azọkịta aweba ndị ise Ebuka Obi pụtara ize ịmakwu na ife oye ego ọnụ nya n'ọnwụ somebody ya bịaza election ife oye eji wee mee campaign waja aha agụ ya agụ ndị empower go na business aha agụ ya agụ free medical help ndị help go medically, financially and otherwise both communities who has benefited state. If you count it, it is numerous. Have you seen Ebugo Whistle Keta Agugo Abachago also na go mile campaign now the best time here you will go see if you're gonna Jesus you were not side by side. But if you're gonna clearly that you are very far from Ebane mention that name. If you go clearly you go Whistle pay campaign every day they go see far you wake Jesus do powerful. You cannot show us anything. You are showing us what people like me can do or have been doing. You what I go? People in their little way has been impacting on people's life more than what you have done. You have not even done quarter of the things you do will challenge the devil, not to talk of challenging. You are challenging the devil with a fire email. You what I go? So it is a lesson. They show you malo. You what I go? More than 4,000 people. Go see how files and depictions of those 4,000 people. You have shown exactly the numbers of people now for because once in a while you post to food and they raise go. You can't post people like Mamumushu because we did not follow their case to the end. You see, all those things e.g. I wonder mother. He will go say Hannah Jesus Christ when you're a warrior. I mean now mother na warrior, no Jesus and Jesus no faking them call. You couldn't prove anything now. You have only shown us just a little. If I if you will make campaign, Chineke nyepalo mmadu ikike. Oh Chineke nyere mmadu ikike nye people nye mmadu knowledge. He will all may one or two things where even a doctor will tell you that na wanna cure but no God na heal. A doctor a doctor but theater we practice mezi fa homu we go de to that spiritual being. We practice mezi fa homu ki we malu a doctor a professional what of ngoma enwelu nkema so that we cure, but God heals. Or if a medical doctor, werie wee mụrụ ife na ọnwụrụ na ọka ewere emebe campaign ndị teaching hospital ewere emebe campaign iru ebe a ịfụrụ everyday ka a na-discharge patient na teaching hospital na-ebubukwa ndị a na-egbukpu na mortuary na-arịfekwa ndị a na-arịfe to other places so ịfụ na ngwu nwa ka wuri ofe nkwupụ n'ebe ahụ ị na-eje mana ife iru na ife ihe eji wee rise to power to popular or by trying to contest a position with Christ or the very bad. If not that is a merciful God. Ịghọtago ọnwụ n'oge ahụ ka na-eji amụma na egbu igwe were abịa ụdị na ya adụzi ndụ tata mana ọ sị na ọ na-enye onye mmehie ogologo ụdọ ka o wee si na ajọ omume echigharịa so were nke a wee mụrụ ana m eche ka ibido na kampen na-agụsịrị anyị ife ọma niile ahụ ị na-eme ifu na ike agwụgo you can't even chew quarter of ife Evangelist Ebuka Obi melu in just 2 days. All these things ị na-egosi is not equivalent to ife Fada Mbaka na-eme in 2 days. Fada Ebemonso na ndị niile ihe na-eme akpọ afa na-akpọ ha ndị ohi. You cannot even do quarter of ife fa na-eme. It is a challenge. Gosi ya ihe na this campaign ị na-eme ifu na ike agwụgo. Etu aka nsi wee hapụ, what to say, I wish you all the best. I wish you all the best. This is Ezugo.